4 ways you're sleeping wrong and how to fix them. We all know that sleep is essential and many successful processes depend on it. But apart from not being able to set a sleeping schedule or getting too little sleep, there is something else to think about. Have you ever wondered why you wake up all shattered after a night of what seems to be proper sleep? Before going forward, I request you to kindly subscribe our channel Natural Health Plus and press the bell icon that will notify you for our latest videos. The thing is that you are sleeping wrong. No matter how surprised you are right now, once we tell you about the possible reasons you are not getting normal sleep, you will realize the importance of proper sleep. There are 4 possible ways that you are sleeping wrong, and we are going to talk about them in this video. Number 1. Pillows. We all sleep with pillows, and there is nothing wrong with that. The only question is, how many pillows should you sleep on? The correct answer is 1. If you sleep on more than 1 pillow, that is your answer to why you don't get normal sleep and wake up tired or even hurting. Just 1 pillow under your head, no more. Number 2. Position. Do you feel neck pain often? Well, let us guess, you usually sleep on your stomach. That is likely the cause of the neck pain you experience. The best sleeping position is on your side. Once you adopt this sleeping position, you will be amazed by how soon the neck pain will go away. Number 3. Bedtime meal. Eating before going to bed is not only bad because it will affect your figure, but also because it will influence your sleeping ability. That means you will be unable to fall asleep after you have just eaten. So you should go to bed only after at least 3 hours have passed since the last time you ate. Number 4. Sleep pattern. No matter how many times you've heard it, it does not lose its importance. You should learn to go to bed and to get up at the same time every day. Once your body is used to your regime, you will be amazed by the outcome. Make sure that you get at least 8 hours of nice sleep daily. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and please share this with your friends and family, and let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.